Hello and welcome to YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where our mission is not only to motivate you but help you to move on to the bright side of the health. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the important things that you should absolutely avoid when you are just finished with your hip replacement surgery. If you go through these processes, it might damage your hip and can fail your surgery. So make sure to watch this video very carefully so that your surgery outcomes are super successful. Let's get started. So the first thing that you should absolutely avoid when you have got hip replacement surgeries, don't bend completely like this to lift up the object. When you do this, you're bending from your hip and you're putting a lot of pressure on your hip joint, not only while bending but while coming up. The second thing that you should avoid is don't sit on such a low stool like this, even for using your bathroom or washroom. Make sure to use a high raised toilet seat while using bathroom. The third thing that you should keep in mind is don't lean forward while getting up like this. Instead, make sure that your spine is straight. You use your hand support and put your weight on your hand and lift straight this way and then come forward. This will prevent forward bending of the hip joint, which can damage your hip. Do not pull a bed sheet like this and sleep. Do not cross your leg and sit. Do not sleep on the affected side without your doctor's permission, and if you're sleeping, don't sleep like this. Always keep a pillow in middle and then only sleep. Do not curl your legs inside and stand. So these were the things which I mentioned that you are not supposed to do. Now let's understand what are the things that you should definitely do when you have undergone hip replacement surgery. Sit comfortably in a chair and keep your legs apart or wide as much as possible. Use an abductor pillow to keep it between your legs while sleeping. And if you have to sleep on the sides, sleep on the non-affected side below. And keep this pillow like this so that there is good gap between both the hips. Continue using your crutches or walker as your doctor has recommended. Don't stop using them just because you don't feel any pain or discomfort. Do your post-hip surgery exercises regularly under the guidance of physiotherapist so that you can get optimal outcome. So these were some do's and don'ts that you have to keep in mind when you are recovering from your hip replacement surgery. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.